How to create multiple TikTok shops. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can create multiple TikTok shops. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. First step, what you'll need to do is head over to your web browser and search for TikTok shop. Registration. And after you do that, you will then need to head over to a website called seller.tiktok.com. If you don't find it here, you can simply head over here and search for seller.tiktok.com. So after you're on that website, you'll then have to start setting up. Now, as you must already know, you can also use your TikTok account to do so. But the thing here is to create multiple TikTok shops, you can only do it by using a different social security number or your business number. So if you simply do a search on the web, searching for multiple TikTok shops, let me just, can we create right here? And if you search for that, you will get the proper info about that. So you can search, go to TikTok's support itself, or you can simply head over here. But if you read right here, individuals can typically only create one shop with their personal identification, while business can create multiple shops. So, but what you need to have is a different EIN. So you will need to have a different and unique EIN, or if you want, you can also use multiple people's personal identification with their permission, of course, and if they are part of the business, and you can do that to create multiple shops. So that is the only way you can do so. And if you are going to do that, all you have to do is head over to seller.tiktok.com, and after you're here, you'll need to select a region, such as let me just choose Asia here. Select global selling seller, tap on enter, and after I tap on enter, now I can start with the login process. And yeah, after you're done with that, you'll have created your TikTok shop account. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, if you want more of the videos, you can always comment down below on what you want a new tutorial on, and we'll be sure to reply. And thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.